Good morning, all of you. Continuing from the previous session, now you know that there are two types of tissues, plant tissues and animal tissues. Plant tissues are further divided into meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Now we are going through the permanent tissues. The tissues where cell cannot be divided is termed as permanent tissue. The permanent tissue is derived from the apical meristem. It gradually differentiates and become mature. The main characteristic of permanent tissues are the cells may be living or dead. The cell is made of cellulose or other substances. The cell wall may be thin or thick with various modifications during differentiation. On the basis of the types of constituent cells, permanent tissues are grouped as simple permanent tissues and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue consists of a group of similar types of cells forming on uniform mass, that is, they are homogeneous in nature. Simple permanent tissues are of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma form the ground tissue of all plants as epidermis, ground tissue, and mesophyll. The main function of parenchyma is to help the plant in photosynthesis as it contains chlorophyll. Collenchyma are found in the endodermis of dicotyledonous plant, midribs and petals of leaves, etc., and they act as effective mechanical support to the growing plant's organ. Sclerenchyma are found in the endoderms of stem, bundle cave of dicotyledonous plant, and they help in the mechanical support of the plants. Now, complex tissues. Complex tissues are heterogeneous in nature and are composed of different types of cell elements. The vascular tissues, xylem and phloem, are the only complex tissues of importance. Xylem is the water-conducting complex tissue in vascular plant. It is formed of four types of cells as trachea, xylem parenchyma, trachea and xylem fiber. They are found in the state of all vascular plant. Conduction of sap from root hair to leaves of the plant is the main function of xylem. The organic food conducting connective tissue in vascular plant is known as phloem. They are found in the state and vascular bundles of all vascular plant. The food synthesized in the leaves are distributed all over the plant body through phloem.